Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on MarvinSketch. Today I am going to show you how to draw some common drug molecules using MarvinSketch. We'll be drawing aspirin, paracetamol, ibuprofen, caffeine, atorvastatin and amoxicillin. If you are not familiar with the MarvinSketch interface, I recommend watching my previous video where I cover the basics of MarvinSketch and its interface. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. First up is aspirin, also known as acetylsalicylic acid. Aspirin is widely used for its pain relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. Interestingly, it is also used in low doses to reduce the risk of heart attack. So let's start drawing aspirin. So we start by drawing the benzene ring. Then we will add the carboxylic acid at the first position and the acetyl group at the second position. And there we got aspirin structure. Next, we have paracetamol, also known as Acetaminophen. It's one of the most commonly used pain reliever and fever reducer. Paracetamol does not have significant anti-inflammatory properties like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug molecules. So let's draw the structure of paracetamol. So we will first draw the benzene ring and we will add a hydroxyl group at position 1 and the amide group at the 4th position. So now we got the structure of paracetamol. Now let's move on to ibuprofen, a well-known non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug molecule. It is used to reduce fever and treat pain or inflammation. Ibuprofen was first marketed as Brufen and it was considered one of the safest non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug molecule. The structure of ibuprofen is also quite simple. So we start by drawing the structure of benzene ring first and then we'll add isobutyl group at the 4th position and propanoic acid group at the first position. So let me demonstrate how to do this. Next is caffeine. It is a stimulant that most of us are quite familiar with. It's found in coffee, tea and various energy drinks. Caffeine is the world's most widely consumed psychoactive drug molecule. So we'll draw the structure of caffeine by first drawing a 6-membered ring, and we will substitute 2 carbons in the 6-membered ring with nitrogen atoms, and we will attach 2 methyl group corresponding nitrogen position. We will also add 2 carbonyl group at 2 carbon atoms of the 6-membered ring. Once we complete the 6-membered ring part, then we will fuse a 5-membered ring, and we will replace 2 of the carbon atoms in the 5-membered ring with nitrogen atoms, and to one of the nitrogen we will add a methyl group. Let me show how to do this. Moving on to Atorvastatin, which is actually a statin medication used to prevent cardiovascular disease and treat abnormal lipid levels. It works by inhibiting an enzyme involved in cholesterol synthesis. So it's slightly complex structure. So we start with the core region of the structure. So we'll first draw the pyrrole ring. To this pyrrole ring, we'll attach a phenyl ring, and we'll attach another phenyl ring with a fluorine atom on it. So to the nitrogen on this pyrrole ring, we'll attach heptanoic acid chain with the 2 hydroxyl group at the 5th position and the 6th position. So if you look at the structure of Atorvastatin, they have mentioned the stereochemistry of the OH at this 5th and 6th position of the heptanoic acid. We'll focus on it while drawing. In the terminal, we are going to add the carboxylic acid. So once we complete this part, so to the pyrrole ring, we'll attach amide group and make substitution with phenyl ring and OH group. To the same pyrrole ring, we'll make some substitution with the methyl group. Let me demonstrate how to do this. Finally, we have Amoxicillin, a penicillin antibiotic used to treat a variety of bacterial infections. It's one of the most commonly prescribed antibiotic for children. So it's also having slightly complex structure. So we start with the beta-lactam ring. Then we will attach the thiazolidine ring to the beta-lactam ring. Then to the beta-lactam ring, we'll make substitution with amide. Then we'll attach amino group, phenyl group and OH. So let me demonstrate how to draw the structure. So finally, we have successfully drawn 6 common drug molecules using MarvinSketch. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.